Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make gravy the simple way. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1/4 cup of flavorful pan drippings from your roasted meats. Also, have 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and 2 cups of warm broth or stock ready. Make sure your whisk and saucepan are at hand for a smooth process. This method ensures a rich, delicious gravy every time. Now, let's create the foundation of our gravy, the roux. Begin by heating your pan drippings over medium heat in a sturdy saucepan. Once warm, gradually whisk in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Keep whisking continuously until a smooth, thick paste forms. Continue cooking this mixture for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color. This step is crucial for depth of flavor. With your roux ready, it's time to add the liquid. Slowly, and I mean slowly, whisk in 2 cups of warm broth or stock, adding about 1/2 cup at a time. This gradual addition, combined with vigorous whisking, is key to preventing any lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until it thickens to your desired velvety consistency. Patience here pays off. Finally, let's perfect the flavor. Taste your gravy and season it generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. If you like, a small dash of herbs, such as thyme or sage, can elevate the taste even further. Once seasoned to your liking, your rich, homemade gravy is ready. Serve it immediately over mashed potatoes, roasted meats, or anything that needs a touch of savory goodness. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.